look at all the old cars. Oh, wowee. So pretty. Oh, look. Oh, I love these ones. These are so pretty. Yeah. Oh, wow. That's a machine. Oh, look at these ones. These are my faves, these ones. Yeah, it's beautiful. Eh? I love the seats, how it's just all one seat. And the big steering wheels. Yeah, come, let's go up the stairs. Cute. So excited. Look at the colour of this one. Yeah, I love those EH Holdens.
Station.
Oh, wow.
See this car here?
Yeah.
When we were kids, before we come to Darwin, this is where we lived.
See the glitter roof? Yeah, man. It's my jam. I'll just go hot pink though. Oh, look at that colour.
That's new for you.
He likes the old one too. Yeah, babe. Kingswood. Seriously? Well, how long ago? Oh, yeah. 600 bucks would have been a lot of money back then when I was a baby.
From the pub was 500 bucks.
Yeah. These ones are nice. I like them too. Oh,
One of them.
I like this one too. Kind of reminds me of Auntie Kathy's ute.
Yeah, you see one like that.
Yeah, yeah. Sandman. Into the Sandman, man. Look at this one. This is the one. Hey, don't you guys have a toy car like this? Nadie? Even the same colour? Oh, getting the vibe rocking. Basically what you're telling me is they don't make Holdens anymore, so I can't go out and buy an old Holden anymore.
Yeah, you can buy it.
But how am I going to get parts for it?
They've got making parts for it. Everything across the front row.
Oh, okay.
20 area. The people buy old ones, give them their parts.
Oh, okay.
Some people have actually bought the dowels from the original shop.
Oh, look.
What is reality? Obviously, no one can say because it is words. Reality is
Not for me. A car rave.
You have to drive there.
Oh, yeah, here's the old school ones. It's like the 80s. Yeah, like these ones. You don't like these ones? Yeah, they're a bit too new for you, huh? Yeah, baby. You want to go inside? But they're modern cars, baby. They're boring. Look at the mags on this one. Yo. They're new cars, honey, in there. You like the new cars?
Yeah.
Come here, Nadie. You can't go in, bud.
So who should we...
Where do you want to go now? Because
Pardon?
we have to finish this.
Whoa, look at that. Look at this magic.
See this slap?
Yeah.
That means it's an EJ.
Oh, okay.
If there's just a round cap there,
Yeah, yeah.
and nothing else, that means it's an EH. Apart from that,
Nothing.
well, there's the grill bit and the dashboard bit. That's about it.
Okay.
Want to come get a sausage?
Marty, chuck a mattress on the back, watch the stars. What do you think, boys? We're probably going. Look at the colour of this one. Paint jobs are immaculate.
We had one of these in a wagon too. That was the big one. I got this one. It's so much
Taken care of, that's for sure.
It's got a V6 in it out of a V.